Hey guys, we are at the property today. We haven't been here, really? We haven't been here for a while working on like a lot of stuff because obviously we're waiting on our windows. But today is December 8th, I think. And our windows are supposed to be showing up today. So they should be here within the next hour or so. And we'll have to, I guess, go through them, inspect them, make sure they're all good now. Because I think what happened was they sent them back and they fixed the ones that we got originally. So I wanted to mention in this video that I don't think this is Home Depot's fault. So now this shipment is actually coming straight from Geldwin. It's not being put through a separate shipping company. So anyways, that is what's supposed to happen today. And while we're waiting, the boys are going to start putting rafter vents in. So they go up in here so that there's lots of venting up to the attic.
1 hour later.
Our windows are here. Because they're in the driveway, I think. I don't have it. I thought it was on there. Kyle moved it, I think. Holy okay, this one's going back.
Hey, slow down. Just simmer down. Don't yell there. Where you are. So.
Like, they're first the one they...
Okay, so don't go there over. Just tell them to give it back. That's all. What do you think?
Garbage.
What's the matter?
That one's cracked. Like, actually cracked.
Oh, yeah, I just said it. So the two big ones aren't here. But I know.
The color's different, eh? It's not even the same color.
What do you mean?
Well, look at how yellow that is versus what it was.
Like yellow?
Yeah, it's like not even the same color.
Bring it out in the sunlight so I can see it.
See the difference color?
You sure it's not just your eyes?
Don't look at it. It's plain as day.
Yeah, it's two colors.
It's plain as day. It's not even the right color.
How can it be a different color?
Because they sprayed it with something else, obviously. Not the same batch or whatever. So, but like, they're two different colors. Okay, out of all the windows, that's what we're keeping. The only ones. Okay, so, I don't even know what to say. Oh my lord. Most of the
problem
windows,
lies is
Geldwin.
you didn't have me make your windows.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't give you a job. Okay, so the windows came back even worse than what they came the first time. They were spray painted, but the color that they used is different than the original color. So you can, in the actual window frame, is the original color. But the trim, the brick mold, is the spray painted color, but it looks yellowy. So the driver could see it, Kyle could see it, I could see it, Dad, he's just colorblind, so he couldn't see it. But I think Matthew, could you tell?
What?
Could you tell the color was different?
Yeah, from the couch to the other side of the room.
Yeah. So once you see it, you can't unsee it. And we already have our sliding doors in that are the correct color. So if we go to put windows beside the sliding glass doors, it's gonna look horrible. So anyways, that was one problem. The next problem is there was 3 windows that had the corners of the brick mold actually cracked. Worse than what they came the last time. The only good windows were the curved windows, and even then they still have scratches. So, I don't know. And
You make sure you let
they
go.
scratched the
Across that thing.
out of my deck. Yeah, that's fantastic.
Look at
Love
the
that.
gouge in the deck.
Yeah.
Who's got to fix that? Me?
So,
And even in Geldwin's, no, never mind.
what? Do not slide the
It
windows.
says do not lift vertically. Don't slide them on the floor.
Yep, and what did they do? Look at, if I stand here, look. You can see the slides on the floor, like all the way along.
Yeah, I noticed that too. Like we did over here.
All the rafter vents are up that we can do right now anyways. There. We have to still glue this plumbing here, so you'll see that in a upcoming video. But we have to do that one there. We have to do all the cathedral. We have to either notch out each one or figure out something. And then all the way, well, Damien's room is done. And then all the way.
Oh, you see them all.
Like that.
Later that same evening.
So I just wanted to touch on this a little bit. We're back home now, and I'm going to actually be painting our door jamb. But I wanted to say that I don't think this is Home Depot's fault. I don't think they knew that they were subcontracting out to a company that was doing a crappy job, because even our neighbors have Geldwin, and they had Geldwin years and years and years ago, and they were great. I also want to say that, like I said in my last window video, that our sliding glass doors came and they were perfect quality from Geldwin. That being said, I would still not order from Geldwin again. I don't think it's worth, if they are to come the way ours have come twice, that it's worth going with them. Spend a little bit more money, go to a different company, and get windows that you know are going to be good. Also, I think a lot of the issue comes from the 3 1/4 inch brick mold finishing a detail like that. It takes time and effort and preciseness to create something like that that is quality. And obviously you don't get that for what I paid. So anyways, from here on out, I don't know what's going to happen. I have talked to my Home Depot guy. He has been very patient, although I have been very patient as well. I can tell as of today's phone call that he's frustrated just as much as I am. He's the one that has to be the middleman between me and Geldwin, and he's becoming just as ticked off. And I could tell that today because he actually received 2 of our curved windows, and he received them at the store and actually refused them without even telling me because he wasn't happy with the quality of them. So yeah, we don't know what's going to happen from here. Best case scenario, they redo the windows completely and they give me a large discount and install them themselves. We want them to be covered under a warranty because of the way they've been transferred back and forth, and the delivery companies just aren't trained to carry windows. They're not. We've seen them carry them on their sides. We've seen them drag them across the floor. I mean, they're just not professional, I guess. They're not trained, and that's not their fault. It's just they're shipping something that they shouldn't be. So anyways, I just wanted to put that in here, that I don't think this is Home Depot's fault, and I actually really, really love my guys at Home Depot. They're great. They're always good to me. Anyways, I'm gonna go do this. I want to say give this video a like, but I mean, not much good to say about this video. So I just wanted to update you guys, and we'll see what happens from here. So thanks so much for watching. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.